Meet the Antigravity A1, powered by Insta360. This drone flips the script on how you capture content. It shoots in full 360 degrees, in 8K, and the drone itself, completely invisible in your footage. No more framing stress mid-flight. Just fly, then reframe later. Whether you're filming for socials, documenting a trip, or experimenting with new angles, you get every perspective in one take. Pop on a pair of goggles and you're in the sky. With 360 live view and head tracking, you can look around mid-flight like you're part of the action. Free motion mode lets you explore your surroundings without changing direction. You're not locked into a flight path. You're free to move, look, and create however you want. Flying is simple. The grip controller responds to your hand movements. Point up to go higher, swing sideways to glide. It's intuitive and easy to pick up, even if you've never flown a drone before. Smart flight tech keeps things smooth. It avoids obstacles, returns home when needed, and the landing gear handles itself. Just power on, take off, and focus on the creative part. Antigravity A1 is built for creators, explorers, and anyone who wants more freedom in the air. Available now at JB Hi-Fi. Shop in store or online.